Okay, now so as we talk about that what is atom, correct? First, that atoms are the small building block with which correct it's a small building block with which all the non-living things are mostly made up of. Okay, there are part of living things like they do an important role, they perform an important role in living organisms too, but atoms, okay, they are small building blocks. Okay, now today we have to talk about structure of atom. We know that this atom, okay, this atom is also created by tiny particles, okay, and we call those particles as fundamental particles, okay, we call it fundamental particles. Okay, so we call it a fundamental, okay, fundamental particles, okay, or we have another name for them, okay, we have another name for them, we call them subatomic particles, okay, subatomic particles. Okay, so these two names you should be familiar with because you might use these words in different areas, okay, or different books use different words, okay. So subatomic means sub means it's a part of atom, okay, subatomic. Okay, now these fundamental particles, they are of three types, okay, three types, there are three. So in reality, atom is made up of three types of particles. The first one name is proton, okay, the first one is proton, the second one is electron, okay, second one is electron, and the third one is neutron. Okay, well, proton, as I told you, it's always positive. This guy is always positive. No negativity surround this guy. Okay, so this is positively charged particle. Okay, electron, always negative. This guy is always negative. It doesn't think anything positive. Always negative. Well, neutron, okay, he is equally positive and equally negative. So when he is equally positive and equally negative, we have a rule that positive, negative cancel out each other. So this guy is neutral, okay, neutral, not an extremist. This is a neutral person, okay? So we have three types of particles, protons, electrons, and neutrons. These three are called as fundamental particles and they make an atom. Now, the other question you might be thinking, so this was the first thing, okay? This is the second thing which we did. And the third one, you might be thinking that, okay, what is the location? Where they are located? What is the location? Okay, now here I am. See here, if I draw an atom like this in a circular form, remember atoms are not mostly circle. I'm just drawing it to make it easier for you. Okay.